Dentron Clipperton-L. This originally ran 4572Bs. Those tubes have 6-volt filaments at 4 amps each, so it had 16 amps of filament load at 6 volts AC. There was a 12-volt winding to run the control circuit. So what I ended up doing, I was faced with having to install a filament transformer. That was really not a lot of space, and I didn't want to add another transformer if I could help it. I ran some tests on the 12-volt windings that originally were just for the control system. They rectified it, halfway rectifier. It runs the relays and lighting and stuff like that. So that 6-volt winding is more than adequate for about 5 amps continuous. I watched the transformer, and there was barely any temperature rise when the 12-volt winding was loaded at 5 amps. These tubes are only about 1.1 amps each, 1.1, 1.2. I checked the current. I used the control winding to power the filaments, and total filament load now is only 3.7 amps instead of 16 amps. So in turn, I broke the 6-volt winding loose that used to be for the filaments of the old tubes. Use a voltage doubler to get that back up to 12 volts DC to run the control system. So I was able to do that without adding an extra transformer. It runs very cool, no issues whatsoever. That's similar to what I've done on the FL2100 Yaesu amps. Anyway, okay, so that's how I combated the problem with filament voltage here.